Hey, sixth graders, since I'm not here at school today, I want to make sure you guys have directions of what it is that I want you to get completed as I'm not here so that when we come back tomorrow, we can just keep going and be with the other classes from this morning since I was here in the morning. So let's just run down. The list will be up here on the board, and the substitute teacher will have the directions as well. But let's just go through it here really quickly together. Priority number one is if you did not finish your agreed disagree sheet from Mrs. Regal, you and your partner need to get together, and that has to be the very first thing you get done. We are going through it in class tomorrow, and it needs to be done. You're turning it in for a grade. So if it is not done, that's priority number one. If you don't finish it for whatever reason, I can't imagine why, but if you don't finish it, it is homework due on Thursday. Second thing is an Ed puzzle. Do not go to Google Classroom to find the link. You just go to Ed Puzzle, and in Ed Puzzle, click on your science class. You will see a short video. It's less than 4 minutes, and it's about all three classes of rock. So it just kind of gives you a general intro into all three classes of rock. It is for a grade, but it's not homework if you don't finish it. It will be homework next week. So you might as well get it out of the way now. So take advantage of the time. After that, there is a vocab sheet that we're going to work on throughout this unit that kind of goes through some of the main vocab words, processes that are not as familiar because they're science words and they're not in your everyday life. So this sheet will be up at the front table when you're ready for it. And the words go in order based off of this book we have not used yet, Rocks and Minerals. It tells you at the top of the page to use pages 9 through 12. We don't even need page 12 here today. You're going to do page 9 through 11. Let me show you what that looks like. It's just one short page on page 9 about igneous rocks. And then there are 2 pages, 10 and 11, to kind of give you a preview of sedimentary rocks, because that's what we're going to start tomorrow. Task 1 is for you to read through 9 through 11. And you can work with one other person if you want to. No groups of 3. No groups of 3. You can work with one other person if you want to. You have to read 9 through 11 first. Then, these words, and there's front and a back here, are all bolded in the reading as the vocab words. Use the context of your reading to write in a definition of the word. So there's only, igneous, magma, lava are the only 3 for igneous rock. All the other ones on page 10 and 11 that cover the front page here, and most of the back here, are all sedimentary. There are a lot for sedimentary. So this is kind of a good activity to get you ready for sedimentary rocks. Okay? This is not homework because these books get returned at the end of class. I don't have enough for everyone to take, so do not take these home. Return them. These are hole punch so you can keep them in your binder as we will use them throughout the unit. All right, those are your 3 things that you're working on. I hope you guys get all your work done. Stay on task. Listen to the teacher. Make sure that as you're going through and getting things done, that you hold on to them so that we can look at them tomorrow. And remember that the agreed-disagree sheet is due tomorrow if you don't finish it. All right, I hope to get a good report from you guys, and I will see you on Thursday.